Hello guys, we are here in Mangkamagong town. I gonna going to go with this. I gonna something but like that. But now, right now, guys, I'm completely tired. I completely no sleep right now because that night I completely forgot to sleep. This my reason. Oh my god, I'm so very tired right now. I want to sleep, bro. I want to sleep right now. That is my mother, my grandmother, and another child over there. His name is John Christian. And another over there is my second grandmother and my sister or cousin sister, like that. I don't know. I'm gonna tell him. And over there is my second grandfather, and I don't know her name again. Oh man, I'm completely tired now, bro. I need to sleep. Oh yeah, I'm gonna go to swim over there. Oh wow, completely locked. Ate Sang, Chichi, go there first. We go in there. Tree there. Yeah. Hinahawak ko. Picture. We are going to picture like this. Okay.
Okay, ang galing.
Ang hina ko. Nagbibideo nga na ako. Hinahawak ko. Hinahawak ko the camera. Oh my god, I post it. Change the how. Oh, I photo it. Nice one. Oh my god, it's so wet. It's time to go. It's time to go. See, if you want to see this is me. I'm so wet now. I'm so completely wet, guys. Okay, it's time to change some clothes. After changing clothes, time to ride over there in the car and go home like that. I'm gonna see. Yeah, guys, that is my video. I'm completely tired, by the way. I'm no have sleep because I'm so much playing an adult game. My God. Yeah. It's time. Bye. Before I'm going to end this video, like and subscribe. If you don't want to subscribe, that's okay for me. Bye, I guess. Bye.